If you're looking to supercharge your design process and make stunning visuals effortlessly, you've probably heard about Text2Color for Canva AI. But what makes this newly released software so groundbreaking, and how can it benefit you? Stick with me as I walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about Text2Color, and trust me, you'll want to see what this can do for your designs. First off, Text2Color for Canva is a game-changing tool that uses artificial intelligence to instantly generate color palettes for your text-based designs. Instead of manually picking colors or relying on preset themes, this AI helps you create visually stunning, cohesive color schemes based on the words or text you input. The beauty here is its speed. It cuts down on the time you'd usually spend finding the perfect match for your text and background. Now here's why this is so important. Color plays a massive role in design psychology. The right palette can change how your audience perceives your brand or message. With Text2Color, you don't have to be a design expert to craft professional-looking visuals. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or small business owner, this software lets you focus on your message without worrying about design intricacies. The second thing you need to know is the ease of use. Canva's interface is known for being intuitive, and Text2Color is no exception. You don't need any advanced design skills to get started. Simply type in your text, let the AI do its magic, and watch as it generates a beautiful palette tailored to your content. It's that easy. And let's talk about the customization options. After the AI suggests a color scheme, you're not locked into it. You can tweak the colors, adjust them to your liking, and create something entirely unique. Plus, you can use the palette across various Canva design templates like social media posts, presentations, and even marketing materials. This ensures your branding stays consistent across all platforms. One of the coolest things about Text2Color is its versatility. It's not limited to just text-based designs. If you're creating infographics, ads, or even email templates, you can apply these color schemes to those designs too. It's all about streamlining your workflow and making high-quality designs faster and with less effort. Another aspect worth mentioning is how it saves you time. Gone are the days of manually testing different color combinations and hoping something works. Text2Color generates color schemes that are already optimized for text readability, so you don't have to second-guess your choices. For business owners or digital marketers under time pressure, this is a game changer. Let's talk about accessibility. This tool is available directly in Canva, which means if you already use Canva for your designs, you can start using Text2Color immediately without needing to switch between different platforms or download additional tools. This integration ensures your design workflow stays smooth and efficient. And before I wrap this up, here's a little something special for you. You can try Text2Color for Canva completely free. Just check out the first link below where you can start creating stunning designs with this AI tool right away. No commitment required. To finish up, I've spent a lot of time testing various AI tools, and Text2Color for Canva stands out as one of the most efficient and user-friendly options for design automation. If you're looking to enhance your design process and save time, this is definitely worth checking out. I've also compiled a list of other top AI software tools that can help you improve your digital marketing efforts. Be sure to check out the links in the description to find tools you can try for free. After trying thousands of software options myself, these are the ones I truly recommend.